Last month in October, how much I earned. So let's select the last month, October 1 to 31. So here I select last month and let's apply. So how much I have traffic in last month. So last month I have 54,000 user and the session is 59,000 session. And here is my top 10 country list: United States, India, Philippines, United Kingdom, Pakistan, Indonesia, Canada, and last and 8 number is Malaysia, Australia, and Germany. So from here I got traffic. So let's check out my ad earnings. So I am using Mediavine. So on last month, so let's select last month. So last month I earned $447.62 from Mediavine and session is 59,000 RPM. Why RPM is low? Because my traffic is from different countries, from the low RPM countries. Like here you can see United States and India. Let's compare United States and India. Here you can see 50,000 session and 10,000 session. India and United States RPM. United States RPM is $90 and India RPM is just 0.45 cent. With 50,000 session I earn $336 and with India 10,000 session and I earn just $5, nothing. Day by day my so I am working to decrease India traffic and increase my United States traffic. So I am working on this to get traffic from premium countries, but I am happy with this. I am earning this good money. So here you can see device, smartphone, and add. So ad type is add unit content, universal play, ad SN, sidebar, sticky, and sidebar and industrial. So and I earn extra money from guest post. People want post on my website and I publish their post and they pay me for this select and they pay me for in Payoneer. So let's select October 1 to 31 and incoming payment. No any other payment, incoming payment. Let's apply this filter. So here you can see I just apply this filter and here you can see all payment $80, $80, $240, $120, $80 and $80. Here you can see $77 because Payoneer deduct fee because my client pay me those credit card. That's why they cut the fee. So extra income, total income is almost $100, 400 and some 400 some cent from Mediavine and 1,000 plus dollar from uh, gas posting. Some client pay me through PayPal, but I am always recommend to my client please pay me with Payoneer. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.